All right, Jesse, show me one more time. What do we got?
It's just a huge grasshopper.
Oh my.
Come on, Blizzard.
Turn around.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn the other way.
He's too busy looking at his reflection.
We just gotta get
a stick.
Oh! He saw it. He saw it.
His guts came out.
Oh, he's posing for pictures.
Oh my god! Oh!
He likes it. He likes it.
Oh!
This is the biggest thing he's ever eaten.
Already. He's like, can't finish.
Wow!
That was here.
I did.
Why?
I was gonna use it for
Are
the
you
beach.
sure he can eat
But
that?
I already packed
Yeah.
What if he choked on it?
But what?
It's not
Oh,
right.
it's gone.
I can take it back out.
Oh,
Oh man!
grasshopper leg. Eat it.
The leg fell off.
Look at that. No problem.
Look at that.
That's
No
Man.
problem.
dangerous.
man.
He's not going for the leg now.
Wow, he just.
The grasshopper was weakened. That's why.
Was it in
'Cause it
chlorine?
was in water. Yeah, it was in the swimming pool.
You need it for freshmen?
Yeah, I put it in
Eat
some-
the leg.
There was another one. Is
He's
there
not gonna-
another
he's
category?
done.
I think this is,
He's done.
He's done. He's done.
Oh, done.
Man.
Oh, that was worth it.
Good job, Blizzard.
Hey, get the leg. Grab the leg and give it to him. And feed him the leg.
Are there any candies?
Drumstick. Yeah, the drumstick.
Drumsticks.
At least 3, right?
I've got some that are always in the tray.
Watch out, he might eat your hand.
No, he doesn't.
Each class out, he's gonna need one.
He's licking it.
Each.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
Oh, look at that powder.
Yeah, the powder. Yum yum.
Crispy.
Yum yum yum.
He's a beast.
Beast.
He's a.